Fucking hell. Oh shit. Morning lads. So today we've got Tom coming down with his NSX. We have got this exhaust to install. He's bought this off another NSX, but he's missing his flanges. So we're going to sort the port lead out with a bit of flange. While I wait for him, I've got Luke's RX-7 in. This has just had a new turbo as the bearing collapsed. So we're going to wrap this up while I wait for him and then sort Tom out with that exhaust and send it down the road. If you recognise this black RX-7, then you probably spent a little bit too much time on the interesting side of the internet, shall we say. Here he is. Where's the MacD's breakfast, mate? It's fucking missing.
I was very tempted.
Right, we're gonna get this exhaust off because it's shite. I don't even like the look of it, do you?
Huh?
Do you even like the look of it?
No. I hate the look
Them
of it,
boxes,
mate.
mate.
Why do you think I'm changing it?
So, yeah, let's get it up and get it off. It's not a Jap car.
Huh?
Unless it's got a zip tie.
There's one there, no mate.
Oh, she's leaky.
She's leaky.
It's out. Right, so what we've got to do now is we're going to fit that up on the rubbers, work out how much. It might just be flanges. We're going to use this one and then the one off this decap pipe, and then work out if it needs any extra pipe on or whether the flange can just go on. Chop these off on the bandsaw, weld them on, start it up and send it down the road.
See what's going on so easily? You want to pay me the dicks? Yeah, alright.
So we have discovered nothing is bolt on. Even though it was made for this car, this pipe is too long. So we're gonna chop it here. And also this pipe here has got to meet that pipe. So it's also about, it's a good foot in it.
Yeah.
In men measurements.
A good subway.
The only point is, this is where the bracket's on. So we'll chop it off, rework that bracket, and hopefully we can get it to fit.
This.
I just love it when you got to finish the job off yourself. You can do it!
I can do it, Daddy.
Alright mate, I'll load your pipe.
Can see why you bought that fucking thing now.
Is this your first time with a saw?
Hey.
Hey, it's got teeth in it.
Yeah.
eBay special, mate. You got some motivation at the end.
Oh my god, I'm gonna kill
What? You enjoyed that way too much.
Ooh.
I also chopped this one off with this thing, so I didn't have a chance to film it. But also chop the mount there, and then we'll just join that later to somewhere over here. Puss. Right, so we've had a couple of issues. So, as you've seen, we had to chop this pipe down by about 6 to 8 inches, so it butted up to that. And also, this pipe here, I get chopped about the same. This bracket we had to chop, which I don't understand how it ever went to an exhaust here with the anti-roll bar in the way. But the main issue really is this sticks out a good 2 inch, and this side don't stick out at all. But on the mounts, they're about as far as they can go either way. So what we have to do is leave it there for today, and then we will chop these off completely on either side, because that's what's causing the issue. It's touching this as well. We will weld the flanges on, and then we'll redo the end pipes and the hangers on them. But we're gonna have to order some pipe for that because we ain't got any. And this is the joy of buying custom parts that were made for another car. Although they said it was on standard manifold, this car's on a standard manifold, and we've had to chop about a foot off in total. So yeah, we'll have to leave that for another one. What we'll do is whip this back off, and we'll see what it sounds like with no exhaust anyway. Right, so before we smash this one back on, as disappointing as that sounds, but yeah, get it down, Tom, and then see what it sounds like with nothing on. It's naked. JDM tie wraps doing their thing. This is the slowest lift in history. Fucking hell. Oh shit. That is going to be too loud for the microphone on that. Well, that's going to be it for this one. A bit of a shitter, but you know, that happens sometimes when you're buying second-hand custom parts. So we've got the old exhaust back on, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that sub button. I promise next time this is on the channel we will get that exhaust fitted. See you on the next one.